Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. Today is Wednesday, the 20th day of June 2023. It's about 10:44 in the morning, and by this sign that we've been looking at here, you can see we're at the Stephen C. Beachy Central Park in the city of College Station, Texas. I just want to introduce you to this park. It's got some neat features to it, a few anyway. See, it's nice trees here. What I plan to do today is show you some of the aspects of this park, just the way it looks, and its walking trail mainly. That's what I'm here for, is for its walking trail. Get a little exercise today. Just so you know, it is, when I checked a few minutes ago, maybe 10 minutes ago, it was 90 degrees, and it feels 100, literally. And so, this is the walking track right here. Just want to show this to you. This right here is the end of it. On this end, if you see the little red sidewalk over there, we'll walk that a little later on. So like I said, I'm going to show you mainly things in this park, but I want to show you some things, a couple of things anyway, outside of it, just to show you what's here. I was here yesterday and walked it for my first time, and thought I'd come back today. Point out there's those trees I was showing you. Out there in the distance, you see that great big flag out there flying in the wind. And as we turn that way, you see another great big flag flying in the wind. You can see the way this walking track here is made. See, here's got some double lines. And then from here on out, it's these little striped lines. Got a nice wind right there. Wow, I just picked up. Hopefully my voice is still coming through on my recorder pretty good. And you see how much that flag's blowing up there. But just to show you over here, I'm assuming that they use that for soccer fields probably sometimes. Got a couple of stands. I actually see a volleyball net over there. But like I said, as we go along, I'll just show you some things that interest me here. Just kind of take you along my walk and hopefully show you a little bit of beauty and show you a little bit of what this park offers. So we haven't come very far at all. Number of steps, but you can see right here, this baseball fields. They've got 2 or 3 of them here at least, if not more than that. And straight ahead is the parking lot, and I am also parked in that parking lot. And as we get right down here, I'll show you some more interesting stuff. There's that flag a little closer now, you can get a better view of that. But let's keep going and see what we see next. Here's the next thing I want to share with you. You see this nice little pond here, and the trees over there with the nice roots. A little bit of a bridge, and you see that nice fountain right there. And then the cooler thing they got is right there in the center of the screen right now. And that, of course, is a statue of a swordfish. Got some water running out from underneath of it there around it. You can see. And then it just ends right here, and then there's a different one over there beyond. So, just thought that was kind of neat. Wanted to show that to you. And while we're just about here, and that bird up there crying at us, you see the roots of this tree right here. So in the shade, you should be able to see that a lot better. Pretty cool. And you can see over here is the other little pond. There's some turtles out there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but on that thing out in there, there's 3 turtles on that. Alright, now I don't want to shoot this up too close and personal. Well, over here I will. That's the parking lot. And I'm parked over there. But right up here, you see the splash pads. There's a bunch of kids, of course, in that. Then there's a little play area on down past that. So I'll just show you a little bit of that from back here. But I don't want some parents, freaking out over me recording or something. So I'll tell you what, just to kind of get by and show you a little bit. Here, if I turn here, you can see they've got a little shelter here with a couple of benches. There's a girl sitting over there on those benches for that water. There's a little picnic table here. And you see our trail here continues. So I've sort of cut this off a little bit. You see a tree out there? That's pretty cool, right? All those water scenes. There's a little bit of action over there. And like here's that playground I was telling you about. That's totally under shade. I like how they do that, because here in Texas, let me tell you, this June has been super hot. It has been over 100 most days with heat indexes as high as 117. So it's been a little tough. It's a little bit of flowers right there, kind of neat. But anyway, I'll show you this part here and show you what's down here as our trail continues. Alright, so my batteries on my voice recorder wore out, so I hope my voice comes through. Right now it should be because there's no wind. But I just want to see this tree here and all those nice knees, as they call them. And you see the tree there, and then that fountain out there, and then the thing. So we're going to walk on down this way, and I'll show you some other stuff. Okay, now on here, they have various things about little health, little machines you can work on. You can see here, ham stretches. See, they got these two things there for you to set on and do that. Shows you how to do it. Here's something about arthritis. And some more bars there for stretching. There's even a foot thing to stand on. Calf stretch, okay. So you just kind of bend your feet up and stuff. Interesting. But these are kind of along down here. They probably got a half a dozen or something of these. And you can see here we're in shade. A lot of nice trees in here. Bushes and, like I said, good shade and everything. Got a bench right there. So I'll show you some of these machines as we come across them. And see if you like them. Yeah, before I shut this off, I might as well go ahead and shoot. This one right here is coming up that you can see. Let's see, it says upper body stretch and strengthen. So they've got that. Life trail, exercise your mind. Well, that's always a good thing to do, right? And then upper body stretch and strengthen there. Alright, let's keep going. This one's got forearm rolls and yoga. And some more forearm rolls. Okay. And you see the nice deep shade in here. Again, nice trees. They want a dragonfly in front of us. Alright, standing push up and stress and pain. And another bench right there. Alright, so I'll shoot a little bit of this in fast speed here now. Alright, I'll speed this up for you, and we'll just kind of look at these other machines as we go by. Back strengthener, healthy eating. This one is bench stepper and Tai Chi. Okay, you can see the tennis courts right over here. They got two of them. Look like they're in pretty good shape. And over here, lower body warm up and osteoporosis, what that's talking about. Alright, this one says, welcome to Life Trail, take care. And the introduction. So showing you how to stretch out and get yourself in some good exercise, that kind of thing. Okay, so this right here is the end of the official trail. This takes us out the other side of the park. Out here, this public sidewalk. But I'll show you what we've got. Back down that way is the entrance to the park where we started. Down this way is out of the park. You see, they've made this a bike route and made this red. So I'm going to start a time lapse and take you down here. Just one other thing outside of the park I want to show you, and then we'll head on back. Alright, so you saw into the time lapse right there. Right there is the College Station Police Department, is what that says. So I walked out there yesterday, so I want to do it again today. As you can see, there's nice flowers here, trees, crepe myrtles, I believe. And then over there across the street, those purple ones there, you got quite a few of them over there. That's pretty neat, I think. Got an empty field across the street, and then right here, see how pretty this is? Nice flowers. Here, I'll back up and just give you the whole thing. Yeah, I pretty much got it right there. So isn't that a pretty nice scene? Alright, so pretty much the last thing I want to do is I'm going to walk you back down. And since I've done a time lapse up to here, I'll wait until I get down to where we came out of the park at, and I'll show you the remainder of it with a time lapse, and then that should pretty much do it. So stick with me. Okay, so I'm going to make a time lapse. I'm going to walk down this side, walk all the way down the other end, and we will come out right by 6 is where we'll come out at. And as we go halfway down here, you'll see the entrance to the park in the time lapse. So stick with me, and then I'll close this out right after that. It's pretty noisy here. Hopefully you can see and hear me here. I know you can see me because I see myself in the little thing on the GoPro here, little screen. But anyway, hopefully that came out good. Those time lapses, you'll know better than I do at this point in the video, because obviously I haven't seen it yet. So did you like it? Talk to me and tell me, and leave me a comment about that. Try to add a little bit of something different to all these videos if I can. But hopefully you've enjoyed what I showed you, Central Park. It's a pretty nice place to walk, and in this heat, hopefully lose some weight, because I'm sure sweating enough, that's for sure. I'm sure you can see it on my face, and right here on my hand, you can see that hopefully. It is hot. It's definitely got to be well up into the 90s now, and with the field temperatures, got to be over 100. But here, let's do this. Well, actually, it's saying it's 89 and feels 97. So that's actually calmed down from where it was. I guess the winds helped it. Here, take a look. What do you think? Hopefully you can see that. I hope anyway. But we'll go ahead and close this video out. And hopefully you can, you enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it, you know, subscribe if you haven't, get others too. Would be nice to grow my channel a little bit. It's been pretty stagnant for quite some time, and I don't put out consistent content anymore, as I don't really want to just shoot stuff to be shooting stuff. You don't want to bring you stuff that I actually like, and I figure if I like it, then I know some of you out there like it as well. Take care of yourself. I will see you on the next video.